Numerous difficulties can result from being impulsive. Impulsive shopping at the grocery store might result in overspending or in the purchase of unhealthy foods such as candy and junk food. You might decide to play video games instead of going to the gym or spend the day shopping on the spur of the moment. 1. Impulsive behaviors have been shown to decrease with mindful breathing. According to a UCLA study, youth's impulsive behaviors were decreased as a result of Sudarshan Kriya, a yoga-based breathing practice. 2. It has been demonstrated that yoga reduces impulsivity and increases concentration. Students who are instructed to perform regular sun salutations and controlled breathing exercises show improved maintained attention. 3. You'll be less impulsive if you exercise, especially aerobic activity. Your mood improves and your stress and anxiety levels drop when you exercise. 4. Learning to connect with your impulsive thoughts and become more conscious of your sentiments. By giving you some space from your urges and giving you the option to act on them or not, mindfulness can help. 5. According to research, viewing images of the natural world reduces impulsive behavior. There were photographs of beaches, mountains, and forests, among other things. 6. Adults who nap experience less impulsivity. Although the research study's nap duration was 60 minutes, you might not need to sleep for the full period to reap the benefits of this strategy. 7. Be among people that you can ask for assistance. Spending time with trustworthy people can aid you when your impulsivity is caused by anxiety. Making sure you have individuals in your life who you can talk to about your worries may help you feel less anxious and less impulsive. 8. You can get support from a friend in maintaining the standards you've established for yourself. Find a trustworthy, understanding companion, and discuss your aspirations with her. You can choose how you want to be held responsible for achieving your goal. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.